In front of me is Honor 400 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and click on Clipboard at the top left corner. If it's not visible, like in my case, use this icon also at the top left corner. Click Clipboard and use gray switcher to add it to your toolbar. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, use this pin on the left. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, tap on pin on the right. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also tap Add a new clip over here, type in whatever you want to and hit save. This clip added from here will be pinned automatically. Now to go back to your standard keyboard, you can use this icon at the top right corner or this arrow at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!